Here's a list of things to do in the garden this November. Raise containers onto pot feet to prevent waterlogging. Cut back perennials as the foliage yellows. Dig and divide large or overcrowded clumps. Don't forget to regularly feed the birds. Plant out raspberry canes for next year. Cut back strawberry plants and remove runners, if you've not done it already. Prune fruit trees, apple and pear, that need reshaping work. Avoid pruning plum trees now, as they're susceptible to silverleaf fungus and should be pruned in the growing season. Move container-grown plants to a sheltered spot in the garden to protect them from strong winds and frost. Plant out winter bedding in pots or flower beds. It's a good time to move around any shrubs. And finally, clear out water plants, ready for winter rain.